What's the meaning of book smart? Book smart. Book smart.
Book smart. Book smart. The term book-smart refers to a person who has acquired knowledge through formal education, such as reading books, attending classes, and taking tests. This person is typically well-versed in academic subjects like math, science, history, and literature. However, being book-smart does not necessarily mean that an individual possesses practical skills or street smarts, which are often gained through life experiences. While having a strong academic foundation can be advantageous in many contexts, it is important to remember that intelligence comes in many forms and that there are different kinds of knowledge that contribute to one's overall intelligence and success.